You guys are going to learn about factors. So factors are numbers that you multiply together to get an answer. So if we're trying to find factors of the number 12, we can multiply 1 times 12 equals 12. We can multiply 2 times 6 equals 12. Or we can multiply 3 times 4 equals 12. So all of these numbers are factors of 12. We're also going to talk about multiples. Multiples are the answer when you multiply. It's kind of like skip counting. So if we're going to find the multiples of the number 3, it would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These are all multiples of 3 because we're skip counting by 3s. When we add fractions, we have to have a common denominator. Remember, common denominator means the bottom number is the same. Okay, right now is our bottom number the same?
No.
So we have to find what's called a common denominator. One way we can do this is by finding multiples of the numerator and the denominator. We're finding multiples of just the numerator, just the top number in 1/3. We could do 2. We could do 3. We could do 4. And 5. Good. Because we're skip counting by 1s on that one. If we are doing multiples of the denominator, the 3, it'd be like skip counting by 3. It'd be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and we could keep going. And we can do the same now for 1/2. So we need to skip count by 1, the numerator. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we could keep going. And then we have to skip count by the denominator, the 2. So it'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now the last step is to find these equivalent fractions that have the same denominator. So right now, I have the denominator 3 up here, but I don't have it on these bottom numbers with the pink. I have the denominator 6 up here. I also have the denominator 6 down here. Okay, so what that tells us is 2 6 is equivalent to 1/3. Okay, so I'm going to write 2 6 as my new fraction that I'm going to add. And that tells us that 3 6 is equivalent to 1/2. So I'm going to add that to 3 6. Okay, now you just add the fraction across. 2 plus 3 is 5. The bottom number stays the same. So 1/3 plus 1/2 is 5/6.